Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing only what matters. Training mode with frame display, a fixed dummy, and your heavy attack remapped for consistency. You need to understand why the frame data tells you exact windows. Once set, hold back to establish neutral, charge a half-circle motion, and press heavy to create the spark. This seeds the mechanic. Do that slowly at first to feel timing, then repeat until the motion and button press become automatic. Now you link the spark to auto-dodge by syncing with the opponent's recovery frames. That's why you kept frame display on. Once done, trigger the spark just before the dodge window opens, and make sure to buffer the dodge input immediately after the spark animation starts. This sequencing forces the game to favor the auto-dodge. Repeat 5 clean reps per side, alternating directions, and you'll grok the rhythm. Faster reps become reliable because the inputs overlap predictably. To finish, stitch spark and dodge into one smooth flow. Spark, buffer dodge, then recover into a fence. You do this because consistency under pressure demands a single motor pattern, so escalate speed slowly until it holds in real matches. Test with light pressure first, and then commit during live rounds. If it breaks, pause, check the input/hitbox display, slow down, and realign the spark timing by 1 to 2 frames. That small adjustment fixes most misfires.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.